Hi guys, this is me again, and today's episode I'll be doing the Python temple in Benin Republic. Before I proceed, please kindly subscribe to my channel, click on that notifications button so that every time I make a new post, you won't miss it. Now, let's check it out. Now, this is the Republic of Benin, or Benin Republic as we often call it. And it is a city in Africa, West Africa, just share a border with Nigeria. And today I'm doing the review of the Python temple. Now, check this out. So now basically this is actually a temple where they worship the python. So let's check out what's inside. There's a construction going on right here, but let me see if I can go through the other side. Now this is it. So let me go through the side. So basically this temple is all about python. Now they believe python is their god, so basically they worship the python, and they believe this python actually protect the city. So let's check it out. So this is more like the reception area. Yes, now as you can see, this is Dangbedere. This is like the female python. It's usually the biggest one. Why? This is Dangbe. Now this is the male python. So it's known that the female python is actually much more bigger than the male. Now this is some of the sacrifices that they use in this temple. Now check this out. So every other year, so they're like I think about 12 virgins would actually fetch water all the way from the ocean. So once they fetch this water, now they pour it into this thing, which the priests, the chief priest will use to, so basically the chief priest will use it to cleanse the whole city. So that's just the legend about this place. So as you can see, so if you need some cleansing, if you have done so many bad things, so if you need some cleansing, you've sinned and you've done some bad, really, really bad things, I know, right? So you can come here for cleansing. Now check out this other side. So basically, I'm sure you must have heard about Shango, which is the god of thunder. It's a popular god in the Yoruba kingdom. So they have a Shango temple right here, like Shango, a shrine for Shango. Now this is all about Shango. As you can see, it's the god of iron. So that's right there behind me. So now inside here, sorry. Now inside here is the temple place. So guys, so now this is the closest I've ever been to python. This is a wonderful creature. I love it. It feels cold. Wow, it's actually breathing. Wow. Guys, check this out. Let's check this out. You can go into the first space for the other person. You can go this way. It's like 50 something. I think some stuff when I was saying earlier, there's some up there.
Okay. Most of them are not around. There are some up there.
They were 50 this morning.
This morning? So where are they?
They have gone into the city.
Sorry.
No, it's your God.
Oh, they're actually two.
Come in this way. It's like first space right here.
I don't eat.
They're very fit. Usually, lots.
Now this is watch your back, and there are a lot right here.
Funny enough, is the stuff on the wall I'm interested in.
Hi guys, still at the Steak Temple. So there's a gift shop. Now let's check out what they got. Come with me. Sorry. So now check this out. So you can get stuffs like different beautiful artworks. So you can get this a souvenir. Yeah. Now check out some of the artworks here. Okay.
Can we go this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go this way. Do you want to get something else?
I just want to drink water.